Hello guys! Welcome back to the Tipidoras channel! Yay! Guys, nakakabaliw. Nakakabaliw pala mag-vlog. Grabe. Yung feeling na ikaw lang yung mag-isa nagsasalita pero kailangan mo maging hyper. Grabe guys! Speaking of vlog, ang tagal bago yung last na upload ko, which is 1 month ago. So guys, grabe, na-miss ko talaga kayo. And dahil dyan, kaya excited ako para sa video na to dahil itong video talaga na to guys ay para sa inyo. So without further ado, let's start rolling! I want to share a short story with you guys. Very cute lang, parang ako.
You're way too beautiful, girl.
Wow! Last time, while sliding my thumb on my phone, a story on Facebook got my attention. I saw some throwback pictures as in way back high school days. Bigla ko lang naalala yung difference on how I see myself before compared to now. If you will see my old pictures, I have a dark skin, yung bangs ko, Dora the Explorer, at meron pa akong version guys na malayunig sa lobat hanggang dito, imagine. Nanay ko po yung nagupit nun guys, imagine, diba? Tapos, malit akong babae, and payat pa ako. Kung kilala mo ako dati, especially nung first year high school, alam mo agad na wala akong talent. Kasi I don't know how to dance. Kaya nga sinasabihan ako dati ng trying hard akong sumayaw. And I don't even know how to sing. And even my grades sa school are not that good. Hindi na rin ako magtataka kung bakit ako nabubuli dati. Alam ko yung nasa isip nyo. Yes, tama ka. I was insecure and not happy. Alam niyo yun, ang dami-dami kong insecurity sa sarili ko. Minsan nga kapag tumitingin ako sa salamin, minsan napapasabi ako ng ganda ka mo girl. At nang ba't siyang talino-talino? At nang ito pa, buti pa siya, kaya niyang i-afford yan. So, why did I share this story to you? Maybe some of you right now, tingin sa akin ay naghahanap lang ng attention dito sa YouTube, ganon. Or yung iba naman ay naawa na sa akin. Well, hold that thought. Inyo na yan. I just sense in my heart that I need to share this to you. Baka nga kasi some of you are going through this now or may makakilala kayo na ito ang pinagdadaanan. So, yung video na to guys ay para talaga sa inyo. You know how I managed to break free in that mindset during high school days. First, acceptance is the key. Just how God accepted you. It may sound a little bit churchy, but you need to know that this is important. If nobody can accept your beauty, well, ganun talaga. Di joke lang. God accepts you just as you are. Imagine, He took the time just to create you and plan how He wanted you to be. So instead feeding your minds with the lies of the enemy, na parang, Lord, joke ba to? Why not feed your minds with the truth na, anak, seryoso ako sa'yo. Second, eto na, love yourself. Utang na loob, please lang, okay? Maliban sa nanay mo, kung hindi ikaw sino, aber, be your number 1 fan. Self, ang galing-galing mo talaga. Love kita. Seeing your self-worth is like seeing a gold in a pile of charcoal. Paano bang magmahal ng sarili? Umpisahan mo ba siya na usong skincare? Minsan, try mo ding maghilo. Kumain ng healthy foods. Minsan, treat mo yung sarili mo. Magsangyupsel ka with matching anliwings at milk tea. After this quarantine, pwede yun. Or di kaya magpamassage ka. Do what makes you happy and fulfilled. Learn new skills. Kung dati, pansit canton lang yung niluluto mo, ngayon samahan mo na ng gulay para naman healthy. At saka medyo Korean, o diba? But keep in mind that you are capable of love. Because God loved you first. Knowing that God is the author of love, you can love yourself and also the other people genuinely with the standard of God and not yours. Like, love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy, it does not boast. Ito ha, last na. Kung may acceptance na at self-love, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-forgive sa mga taong nakakontribute ng insecurities mo at pain sa puso mo. Your past is no longer your reality. Remember, ikaw nga forgiven, di ba? This is the beauty of forgiveness. When you forgive, you are not just releasing one, but two persons of the weight that you carry. It is also doing yourself a favor of letting go of the baggages that slowed you down. Let not your past dictate your future. Remember, you are a victorious. You are a conqueror. Start living your life with full potentials. Yung life na evident na may God ka sa buhay mo. Because the old you has gone and the new you has come. That's it for today, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed our video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below somewhere here. And click the notification bell. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung video, hit like button naman. So that's it, guys. See you on our next vlog. See ya!